You starting it, Dylan? Okay. Okay, we're doing the train body now. So the first thing you want to do is create a rectangle. It doesn't really matter how big it is right now. D for dimension on your keyboard. Click this first side, extrude it out, and let's see. It is, how much is it? It's 5.5 inches. So then zoom out so you can see it, the whole thing. It's 5.5 inches long.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. D again, do this one, and it is 2 inches wide. So 5 by 2. Done. Finish sketch. Extrude that. Extrude it. Extrude it 0.88. 0.88. So now you should have this awesome block right here. Look at it. It's awesome. Yes, it's awesome. Then you go back here and create a 2D sketch on this face, the top face. Look at it so you can see it. The back. Create a rectangle. So it snaps into place right here. It doesn't really matter how long it is right now, just its height. Dimension it. Bring out this width. And it should be 1.75. Finish sketch. See, and then you extrude that little square out. Well, I'm not sure if it's square, but whatever. And you extrude it out. Let's see. The original height was 0.88, so 1.5, 1.75 minus 0.88 equals. You extrude it out 0.87. Yeah.
1.
No, not 7. 0.87. There we go. So now you should have this. Well, what? Okay. So now you have this thing. Now, in order to get that top plane up here, you go to the back end right here, create a 2D sketch on that. Look at it so it's facing you. And create a point in the center. So see that green line that comes into play? It'll automatically lock into that. So you should create a point in the center, just randomly along that line. Press D, dimension that point to the bottom of your shape. The dimension is 0.375. 0.375. Done. Then you create a circle from that point, and its diameter, let's see, diameter is 2.35. Yes, 2 inches and 35 whatever of an inch. I'm joking. That's not true. The radius is 2.25. You just press D and you dimension. You click on the thing, and then you click on the line on the bottom. Line on the bottom. Yes. The radius is 2.35, so you actually want it to be 4.7. All right, that's my math, right? 4.7. So make it 4.7. So the circle should be this big. It's awesome. Look at it. It's cool. Then you just, let's see. Okay, you want to create, before you do anything really, you want to create a line. Go up here, create a line, and then click on this. Then create another line up here, just a little tool, work axis. Create it up here. Sorry, a work axis, not a line. And you just do 4 of those on each of these corners.
One catch up. Anyone need catch up? Yeah. Okay, go ahead, pause it.
Yeah. Okay. So go ahead and delete those axes that you just did. Thank you, Caleb, for realizing my awesome mistake. That was horrible. Thank you. So you delete all the axes. So you just have, is that a word? Axes. So then you just have this circle thing. Press create 2D sketch. You create 2D sketch on this. Again, you create a line. You create the line from here up through the circle. Oh, blow out that. Come on. You make it up through as a circle. It should just lock into place. You do it again on the other side. So it's like this. Finish sketch. Then, oh wait, no, don't finish sketch. Go back. Click on. You create 2D sketch on the circle now, and you do the same thing. So instead of clicking the plane, you click the circle. There we go. Okay, then you click the trim tool up here, and you click on that outer circle part right there. Excuse me. Finish sketch. Now you do extrude, and then you do just extrude this part, and it should just come out like that. Then you click this little direction 2 button, and then you click the create new solid button. It should come out just like this.
Why can't I grab it?
Oh, okay. You have to create more lines like this.
Yeah.
No, you have to, after you click the circle, then you have to create lines. Yeah. Then you just create 2D sketch on it. Okay, so now you have this part. Let's see. Then you make it so that you can see it like this. And you create another 2D sketch.
No.
And you create it on this, not the top plane part this time, this bottom plane. You go in, and you create a point, let's see, 0.25. You create a point 0.25 out. So you create a point on this line, just really anywhere. You press D for dimension. You dimension the point to this line, and you make it 0.25. So now you have it like this. Then you finish sketch, create a hole on that point. Distance, set it through all. And, okay, wait. Okay, first, before you do the hole, you want to click this combine button right here. And you want to combine you want to click on this so it's highlighted with the white. And you want to click on this. And then you want to click OK. So then it should all be one part, and then you click hole again. Now you go to the point. Now you click all the way through all. So now it should just give you a hole through the whole thing. Then, let's see, I don't know, I'm trying to find the dimensions on here. So then you make the diameter is 0.5 of an inch, like this. And I have mine just barely coming through the end. Click OK. You have it like this. Then you want to create a 2D sketch on that plane with the hole. You want to create a rectangle from the top of that hole to the bottom of the hole and all the way out. Even past the rest of the thing. You create it like this. So now you have this kind of square looking thing right there. Finish sketch. Extrude. This whole thing. Make it, what's the width? 2 point. You just make it like 3. So make the extrude distance 3 on that square. Press direction 2. Press the second little button right here that shows it going in, so it deletes the part. Then you press OK. And now you have this. That's what the part of the train is. I think. It doesn't look right. Hold on.
It does.
Well, the dimension is 2.5. Oh, the radius is okay. So that hole you did before, its radius or its diameter is actually, the radius is 0.5. The diameter is actually 1. So there you go. Yeah, that makes more sense. The diameter is actually 1. I was looking at the wrong dimension. Press distance through all again. So if you guys didn't get this before, now we're doing it again, just different dimensions. So the distance is through all. Click OK. Create 2D sketch on this plane. Create a rectangle. From the top of the circle, it should lock in. To the bottom, it should lock in. And all the way, maybe not all the way out, but it should just go Okay, if it's not going to lock in, then just go ahead and make a point. Right there. There you go. Then just create a rectangle. From the top of here, it should lock in now. And lock in there. And just extrude it out like this. Finish sketch. Extrude it. Make it 3 inches, just for safe. Press direction 2. Press this button over here. And it should just create a red hole. Straight, press OK. Straight through your piece. Now you have it. That's what it should look like. Okay. So next what you want to do is you want to go to the back. We're still doing the back. You want to create a 2D sketch on the back here. Then you want to create a point. It's going to be the exact same place as you make this big circle here, just we'll have to do it again. So you create a point, just stick it so it's somewhere in the middle. D for dimension this point to the bottom of here, click on the point, and click on this line, pull it out, and it is 0.375. 0.375. Press check mark. Then you finish sketch, create a hole on that point. It's not going to be 1 inch, it is actually 0.25. The diameter is, well, you can look back at it, I guess that's what the whole kind of video is. 0.25 is the diameter of it. And the distance is 0.5. Take this drill point thing over here and make the drill point a flat drill point instead of a pointy drill point. It should look like an end mill. So you make it an end mill flat drill point. Bless you. Press OK, and you should have something that looks like this, with just a hole right there. Okay, now we're gonna do the little circle smokestack thingy. Yeah. So then you create a 2D sketch on this front plane now, the smallest little rectangle there is. Make it so you can see it all. Put it in the center. Okay, so then, let's see, you want to take a point, make a point in the center. Again, so it locks in with that green line, green dotted line, done. D for dimension, click the point, click the bottom, extrude it out. And let's see, it's 1.38 is what it is. So it should go all the way up here, like this. Then you create a circle on that point, and the diameter, the radius is 0.75. So the diameter is going to be 1.25. Press enter. I believe that's right. I think maybe I didn't say 5 plus 1.75. Oh, I was wrong. It's 1.5. My math, I'm bad. Sorry. The diameter of that new circle is actually 1.5. Yay. I should know that by now, huh? Then you finish the sketch. Okay. Should I just keep going then? Pause.